Hi ladies, if you're a woman above 40 and maybe in your 50s or 60s and you find yourself just lying awake at night, maybe around 2 or 3 and wondering why your sleep has just disappeared, you are not alone. There are so many women in perimenopause and menopause that are struggling with their sleep. And today we're diving into the role that your hormones are playing in this really frustrating experience. Hi, I'm Dr. Val, an integrated sleep medicine physician and women's sleep expert, here to break down how your women hormones, specifically estrogen and progesterone, are playing a role. Did you know that up to 60% of women in midlife report sleep disturbances? And hormonal changes play a huge role in this. The good news is understanding what's happening to your body can empower you to take the steps to reclaim the rest that you need. So let's break it down. We'll be talking about two of those main hormones that have a huge impact on your sleep, and these are estrogen and progesterone. Starting off with estrogen, as we get older, our bodies decide that we no longer need to be fertile and have kids. But guess what? There are estrogen receptors throughout all the organs in your body, more than just the ovaries and your uterus, and it's more than just a reproductive hormone. It's also potentially even a sleep champion, and it can interact with different parts of your brain that can help regulate your internal clock. During perimenopause and menopause, your estrogen levels can really drop, and that's when some of the difficulties with sleep begin. So lower levels of estrogen can mean more waking up at night, less deep sleep, and even restorative sleep. The deep sleep is really the restorative sleep. Also, estrogen can affect your body temperature, and that's why these hot flashes and night sweats can wake you up, leaving you feeling drenched and really uncomfortable. So it can be a real double whammy. Sleep disruptions like night sweats can make your sleep even worse. Progesterone, also known as the relaxation and resting hormone, can also impact your ability to fall asleep and even stay asleep. This hormone helps calm down your nervous system. It can help reduce anxiety and also promote deep sleep. As your progesterone levels start to decline, so do levels of something called allopregnanolone, which is a breakdown product of progesterone that works in your brain's GABA system, which is the sleep system, to help you feel relaxed. Without enough of this calming effect, a lot of women may experience more awakenings, maybe racing thoughts, those early morning awakenings, and really feeling unwell and unrested or unrefreshed the next day. So lower levels of progesterone can lead to more fragmented sleep and as well as early morning awakenings. So if this sounds like you are not imagining things. Hormonal changes can be real saboteurs of restful sleep. However, there are a couple things that you can do to sort of take back your sleep. My first recommendation is start talking to your physician about the symptoms that you're experiencing. If you're a candidate for hormone replacement therapy, it may be a really great option. Hormone replacement therapy could mean taking an estrogen patch or progesterone tablets at night to help support your sleep. There are also lifestyle changes in your diet that can help, things like avoiding spicy foods, alcohol, to help maybe reduce some of those anxiety type feelings or hot flashes at night. Regular exercise is also really important. Certain mindfulness exercises may also help reduce stress and help ease you into your sleep. Remember, understanding your body is one of the first steps that you can take to get better sleep. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend that can benefit from it. To learn more about women's sleep health and whole living, subscribe to our newsletter. The link is below. And I hope you watch some of our other videos that are all about women's sleep. Until next time, ladies, sleep well.